welcome to Reset Connect. This is the 5th year, and thank you again to our magnificent sponsor, KPMG.
Well, if you missed out this year, what were you doing? I mean, Reset has been really good for us to be involved in over the last couple of years. There's a huge energy and a variety of people here. And that brings a diversity of thoughts. It challenges you in different ways, pushes you to think in different ways.
So we've been supporters of Reset Connect for a number of years. We think it's a great way of bringing together all sorts of disparate actors and stakeholders in this area of sustainability, whether it's interesting startup businesses or larger scale companies driving change, and then investors, policymakers. We think it's a really great gathering of like-minded organisations and individuals.
This one really feels quite comfortable, and then you have a lot more open space. People are coming to us and having an open chat.
And it's just a fantastic way of meeting so many fantastic, interesting people.
So the event for us has been highly successful. We've met organisations like Subway, we've met other listed organisations as well.
Despite the fact we're standing here in record temperatures, there's a lot of solutions out there, and we've seen a lot of them over the last couple of days.